Once upon a time, a pigeon family lived in a big jungle. Both parents were living happily with their children. Pigeon children were very small. They did not know how to fly, so they used to stay at home. Then both pigeon children grew up after few days. Both Mama Pigeon and Papa Pigeon then decided to take their children to the garden for flying. Then Pigeon family went to their nest for sleep. They were feeling very excited to go to the garden next day for the flying. Next day, Mama Pigeon and Papa Pigeon took their children to garden for flying. Then both children did flying practice first time. Then both Mama Pigeon and Papa Pigeon became very happy to see their children flying. Once a rano bird was coming from village. On her way to home, she looked a big fair in the jungle. Then Rano bird came to her nest in big tree. Rano bird told grandfather about the fair in jungle. Grandfather promised to take her to the fair. Grandfather was very nice to her, so he accepted what she said. Then in the evening they reached the fair. There were various different kinds of swings in the fair. Rano bird became very happy to see the fun land. The Rano bird also took rides in different kind of swings. She was enjoying the fair, but then soon it became dark.
Go to home.
Don't get frightened, my child. My friend lives near from here.
Then they went to friend's house. He opened the door and gave warm welcome to them.